Welcome to Remote Closing Rapid Fire. Hey, what's going on? Aaron here from the Remote Closing Academy. And as you saw by that really quick title animation, we're starting a brand new series here on the channel called Remote Closing Rapid Fire. And this video that you're watching right now is unlisted on this YouTube channel. It is the beginning of this playlist. And I just wanted to break down really quickly what this series is going to be all about so you can watch and really binge through the next couple of these videos and really understand what you're going to be watching. So over the last couple of months, because we've seen some massive growth here on the YouTube channel and a lot of our other social media, is we just get a ton of questions everywhere, right? In the comments, over on Instagram, over on, Twitter, on LinkedIn, emails, and just so many different questions. And what I've always felt like is I wanted to answer those questions with videos, but I didn't want it to be like a standalone video, like the weekly value video that goes out on the channel. We post about, 2 times a week, usually a podcast, and then talking about remote closing. But what I want to incorporate is just the ability to jump on camera and talk for like 3 to 5 minutes and answering some of the frequently asked questions, and then be able to use those videos to then send to people as answers to their questions. So honestly, that should be pretty straightforward. We want you to get as much value out of this channel as possible. And when you can just put on this playlist and get short little snippets of everything you need to know about remote closing and appointment setting, that's really the goal for this rapid fire series. So that's pretty much it. Go ahead and click the video on screen. It's going to bring you to the next video in the playlist and in the series. And sit back, relax, grab a pen and paper, and enjoy.